Hi folks, Russ here with ProSteam UK. We are once again cleaning and sealing a brand new Karndean floor. This floor was laid only last week by Simply Carpets and Flooring, and the client has had some decorating done. So the floor is now ready to be deep cleaned and sealed, and we're going to do a walkthrough just to see how it looks at the moment. So as you can see, the floor is pretty soiled. It doesn't have any shine on it at all, so it's come out the factory with a deliberate matte finish. So we're not going to use a shiny sealer on this floor. We're going to use a matte hard seal because we don't particularly want to add a lot of shine to the surface. Remember folks, we do not make expensive floors look cheap by using cheap products. Okay, our matte hard seal will provide 12 to 18 months protection and finish to the floor, and then we simply come back, strip the floor, reapply the same product. So let's go through some of the processes, and we're going to demonstrate how we clean and seal brand new luxury vinyl tile. Right, the first stage has been completed, and the first stage is vacuuming. We've got to make sure that every single tiny little bit of dust and dirt is removed from the floor before we can move on to the next stage. The next stage is actually wet cleaning and extracting. Right, we are now using our orbital pad machine, and this machine vibrates. As you can hear, it's very low noise, and what it's doing is it's loosening all the dirt on the surface, and it's getting right into the joints, removing any glue that might be on the surface. Okay. As you can see, it's not flinging water onto the skirting boards. I can clean right up to the edges with this machine, so I can most certainly achieve a better clean compared to a rotary machine. And we're going to use this machine on the whole floor, and then we're going to extract all the dirt away. So this machine extracts all the dirt and the surface oils from the luxury vinyl tile, so we have a perfect surface to apply our sealer. And you wouldn't imagine putting your furniture on top of a floor with that much dirt on, and that's one of the reasons why people book ProSteam UK to prepare their floors before they actually use them. So anyway, on to the next stage. So we come to the final stage of our clean and protect, and the floor right now should look a bit difficult to see under this light, but it is a lot brighter. We've removed the surface dirt and oils, and as you can see, it's clean and ready for our matte hard seal. On the matte hard seal, we're going to apply two coats, and that's going to further enhance the colour of the tile, achieving a nice matte stroke satin finish. Right, we're done. This floor has now been cleaned and sealed using our matte hard seal, and the sealant has most definitely enhanced the colour of the tile. It looked a little bit washed out when we arrived, but now we've removed all the dirt and the oils and everything and applied the hard sealer. It really looks nice. It's added a little bit of warmth and colour to the tile. On the on the video it does look like it is glossy. I can assure you that it's not. It's just a bit of glare coming off the windows there. But the flooring is still a matte finish. Okay, and as you can see there, and we get a bit closer, the tile is not shiny. It's got kind of like somewhere between a matte and a satin finish. So there you have it, folks. Before you move your furniture onto your brand new floor, why not think about having ProSteam UK professionally clean and seal your floor? And what we also can offer is a maintenance kit to keep the floor looking great. This little kit here is something that we can sell as an addition to the job, and you're going to get a quality mop, a refill microfiber, and also 750 mils of PU cleaner, and some overshoes. And we advise the overshoes to be worn on the floor for 24 to 48 hours until it's fully cured. There you go. Thanks for watching.